What if you could turn hundreds of pages of notes, PDFs, and research into clear summaries, study guides, and even podcast-style conversations in just a few minutes? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by information, then today's AI tool could completely change the way you work and study. Welcome to Daily AI Finds, where we explore the latest AI tools that help you work smarter, learn faster, and save valuable time. Today, we're looking at NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research assistant that's quickly becoming one of the most talked-about productivity tools available. Unlike many AI chatbots that rely on general knowledge, NotebookLM works with your own documents. You simply upload your PDFs, Google Docs, Word documents, presentations, or web pages, and NotebookLM uses those sources to answer questions, explain complex topics, and organize information. This makes it especially useful for students preparing for exams, professionals reviewing reports, researchers working through academic papers, and even content creators organizing ideas for videos and articles. One of the biggest challenges today isn't finding information, it's making sense of it. We all collect notes, save articles, and download PDFs, but finding the important information later can take hours. That's where NotebookLM stands out. Instead of searching through hundreds of pages yourself, NotebookLM understands your documents and helps you find answers much faster. It can explain difficult concepts in simple language, summarize long reports, and even point you back to the exact source it used, giving you confidence that the information is accurate. But that's only the beginning. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the features that make NotebookLM unique. We'll look at real-world examples and discuss its strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide whether it's worth adding to your AI toolkit. So what makes NotebookLM different from other AI tools? The biggest difference is that it works with your own information instead of searching the internet or relying on general knowledge. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, Google Docs, research papers, meeting notes, presentations, and even website links. NotebookLM then studies those sources and uses them as the foundation for every answer it gives. This means you receive responses based on your own documents, making the information much more relevant and reliable. One of its most impressive features is the ability to create instant summaries. Instead of reading a 50-page report, NotebookLM can highlight the key points in just a few seconds. It can also explain difficult topics using simple language, making it useful for students learning new subjects or professionals reviewing technical information. Another powerful feature is its question and answer capability. Imagine you've uploaded several research papers for an assignment. Rather than searching through hundreds of pages yourself, you can simply ask questions like, "What are the main conclusions?" or "Which source discusses climate change?" NotebookLM will provide answers based on your uploaded documents. NotebookLM can even generate study guides, timelines, frequently asked questions, and briefing notes. One of the newest and most popular features is audio overviews. This allows NotebookLM to transform your documents into natural podcast-style conversations that you can listen to while traveling, exercising, or doing other tasks. Instead of spending hours reading, you can learn by listening. For students, researchers, and busy professionals, this can save a huge amount of time while making learning much easier. In the next part, we'll look at the strengths, limitations, and whether NotebookLM is worth using in your daily workflow. So is NotebookLM actually worth using? For many people, the answer is yes. If you're a student, NotebookLM can help you revise faster, understand complex topics, and organize large amounts of study material. If you're a professional, it can summarize lengthy reports, meeting notes, and business documents, helping you save valuable time. Researchers can quickly compare multiple sources, identify important findings, and ask detailed questions without reading every page from start to finish. Content creators can also benefit by organizing research, generating ideas, and turning large amounts of information into structured content. However, NotebookLM isn't perfect. Its answers are only as good as the documents you provide. If your sources are incomplete, outdated, or inaccurate, the responses may also be limited. It's also designed to work with your own information rather than replace traditional search engines or general AI assistants. For the best results, think of NotebookLM as your personal AI research assistant instead of an all-purpose chatbot. As Google continues to improve the platform, new features are being added regularly, making it one of the most exciting productivity tools available today. If you regularly work with document study materials or research Notebook LM is definitely worth trying. It can save time, improve organization, and make learning much more efficient. Thank you for watching Daily AI Finds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest AI tools tutorials and productivity tips. We'll see you in the next episode.